So hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we are going to be discussing about pharma exam mapping. So this new concept of exam mapping is very important for us because it tells us about how things are to be studied, in what ways those things are to be done, and how do we track our progress, and what are the different routine that we need to get into our lives, incorporate that, amalgamate into our life so that we can do well, score well. So there are certain myths, and we are going to have those myth busters and versus some facts, and we'll discuss a small roadmap as well regarding this. So for any examinations when you're preparing, these all things are very basic. हर कोई आपको ये चीज बताएगा. You know what is to be done, everybody will tell you do's. But don'ts, क्या नहीं करना है, ये ज़्यादा important है in a particular exam. So having a good nutrition, 7 hours of sleep is very important. नींद नहीं होगी, आप कितना भी पढ़ लो, it is difficult for grasping it. Right? Even if you study it, but it won't be able to be registered in your hippocampus neurons. So it's important that sleep and food diet is good. Reviewing your questions, where you went wrong, where things are going not appropriately, you must know about that. And solving exercises regularly. So when I talk about the mind map, you must have your goals very clear. You must have your time blocking. अगर ये चीज पढ़नी है, आज करनी है, मतलब करनी है. There should be no excuses कि टाइम कम पड़ गया, लेट हो गया. No. रात को लेट तक जगो, सुबह जल्दी उठो, doesn't matter. But you need to do your work on time. That's very important. That's how discipline plays a role in your life. Prioritizing your work. Movie आ गई, छावा आ गई, ये आ गई, वो आ गई. That's okay. That comes. Festival comes. 1 year or 2 years of hard work and preparation won't come again. So make sure that you make it count. Limit distractions, because whenever suppose when I'm taking a video, there should not be mobile or anything inside besides, वो तुरंत distract कर देता है इंसान को. So make sure that you are away from a lot of distractions. Pomodoro method, it's very useful for maintaining your productivity. You can gift yourself एक particular time slot बनाओ, पढ़ो, and then have a break, then again पढ़ो, then have a break. So that is very important. So when I talk about this, blueprint breakdown is very important. Any examinations that you give, make sure that you have a blueprint, that what are the different questions that come in that exam, and what are the FAQs, frequently asked question, what are the PYQs, previous year questions. Analyze the syllabus. Make sure you make pie charts, flow charts, graphs and all ready. Compare the past trends. Yes, suppose capsules, tablets, how many questions are coming from that particular part. You must be aware about that. Certain high scoring topics and smart study hacks are very important. So कोई topics होते हैं जैसे कि numericals, अगर नहीं आते तो नहीं आते, simple, you cannot जबरदस्ती do, right? But there are certain things like jurisprudence hacks now that you have to mug up. So वो hacks क्यों छोड़ने हैं, cram कर लो यार, it's important, वो आते हैं. So make sure that you have a very smart preparation strategy, and you must have some live MCQs. You must solve those MCQ platforms, quick revisions in animated form, because as I always tell, memory is a combination of three things: audio, the things that you listen; visual, the things that you see; and muscle, when you write. So audio, visual and muscle are the three memories that are very important for you. जब आप इन तीनों का combination use करते हो, nobody can stop you. Always have a thing clear that if you're starting 1 year before the exam, what will be your plan? 6 months if you're starting before the exam, or if 6 months are pending for the exam, versus 3 months. So what all things are to be covered and how efficiently they will be covered. AI based exam prediction. Nowadays there are so many AI based reports that tell you that which topic you need to study more or ponder more upon. Always see toppers talk or strategies, because they have gone through that phase. But one thing, let me tell you that other strategy doesn't work on you. You have to make your own strategy. But yes, get a reference lay point from there, that how, what all the things have they adopted and what am I lacking, right? Identify your gap. Simulation videos, of course. A lot of receptors like pharmacology is all about simulation. You must know the cyclic AMP pathway, and you must know the different pathways that are involved. And also, like if you're giving certain examinations like drug inspector, government analyst, or FDA, any examinations, those are also having questions that are based upon aptitude. But besides, there's certain recent trends, or if there's any recent news So make sure that you are aware about that as well. Right, and then there are a lot of Telegram channels and all of those channels that have 1 minute pharma facts. So make sure that you go through those 1 minute pharma facts efficiently. Like this, you can have a blueprint that pharmaceutics say what all topics are important, how many percentage are asked in which exam. So you can categorize yourself. Pharmacology say what is the same, chemistry say what. You can just take a screenshot. Analysis say, cognizy say, and pharmaceutical jurisprudence. So these are certain topics that are constant for any exam. आप कोई भी exam pharma की दे दो, ये topics तो आएंगे ही आएंगे. So that's it for today's exam mapping video. I hope it was insightful for you and you have got a lot of new things to learn. ऐसे ही प्यार करते रहिए and I hope that I come up with more such interesting vlogs for you.